So now it's time to add solutions into the project. Pretty simple. We can either add solutions that we already know are going to be important. Those will be either they exist within Olive, the Olive system, or if they don't, they could be completely brand new, in which case you can just add that simply, put a logo if you want, a little description, and add the solution. The other way is recommending solutions. So again, if we're looking for HCM, we're going to add HCM solutions in here. We pick an industry, number of users, company size. And just like the requirements, we want to look at the keywords that we want to include. Benefits and payroll, let's do the same thing. And we're going to select some relevant vendors. Obviously, these already exist. And then the vendors are going to pop up, and we can either expand out so that we can start to see a little bit more about this vendor, or we can just add it straight away. This is a great way to get you inspired and add in the most relevant vendors. Now that we have the solution, inviting these vendors is so you can either, if you already know them, they'll be in the database, or you can enter your invite here. And we can send an invite right from here, and that's going to go straight to their email. Vendors will receive that, and they will see their view in the Opportunities tab. They'll be able to see how to respond to this opportunity.